Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook mashed potatoes from a box. First, gather your essential ingredients: instant potato flakes, water or milk, butter, and salt. You'll also need a medium-sized saucepan and a whisk or fork. Always check your specific box for the exact liquid-to-flake ratio, as this can vary slightly between brands. This preparation ensures a smooth and delicious outcome every time. Next, measure the recommended amount of water or milk into your saucepan. For most standard boxes, this is usually about 2 cups of liquid. Add 1 tablespoon of butter and a small pinch of salt to the liquid. Bring this mixture to a rolling boil over medium-high heat. This step is crucial for properly rehydrating the potato flakes and infusing flavor. Once the liquid reaches a rolling boil, immediately remove the saucepan from the heat. This prevents the liquid from evaporating too quickly. Now, pour in the instant mashed potato flakes, typically around 1 1/3 cups for a standard box. Do not stir yet. Let the flakes sit undisturbed in the hot liquid for exactly 1 minute. This allows them to fully rehydrate. Finally, after the 1-minute resting period, gently fluff the rehydrated potatoes with a fork until they are smooth and creamy. Be careful not to overmix, as this can make your mashed potatoes gummy. Serve them immediately while they are warm, perhaps with a sprinkle of fresh chives or a dollop of sour cream. Enjoy your perfectly prepared, fluffy mashed potatoes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.